Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about symmetry. We call an object or a design or an image as symmetry when it is divided by a line and it looks the same on both the sides. For example, this is a square. This is a square. If I divide the square by a line, both the sides will look the same. So, square is symmetrical. We call an object or image or a design as a symmetrical when it is divided by a line and when both the sides look the same, it is called as symmetrical. For example, consider a butterfly. I have divided the butterfly using a line. Both the sides are looking the same. So butterfly is symmetrical. The line that we draw is called as line of symmetry. In this particular line, both the sides are getting symmetrical. This line is called as line of symmetry. We can use paper folding method to find the line of symmetry. Now consider a square. Take a square. Now fold the square. Now open it. You will see a line here. That line is called as line of symmetry. Now I have folded like this. Now I am going to fold it like this. Now I have got another one line also. Next I am going to fold in diagonal. I am going to fold it diagonally. If I fold it diagonally, I am getting another one line also, and I am going to fold it in this diagonal now. Now count the number of lines. We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are having 4 lines. So, for a square, we are having 4 line of symmetry. This is one line, this is second line, this is third line and this is fourth line. So, for a square, we are having 4 lines of symmetry. We can use paper folding method to find the line of symmetry. Next, consider a rectangle. We are going to find the line of symmetry of a rectangle. Now I am going to fold the rectangle like this. Both the sides are looking the same. So this line is called as line of symmetry. Now I am going to fold the rectangle like this. First I folded like this. Now I am going to fold like this. Now I have got 2 lines. Here is the one line. Here there is another one line. So we are having 2 lines. So the line of symmetry of a rectangle is 2. Line of symmetry of a rectangle is 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 12.4. The first problem is draw dotted lines of symmetry in picture shown below. The first picture is a leaf. Now we are going to draw the line of symmetry for the leaf. So this will be the line of symmetry. Now both the sides of the leaf are looking the same. So the dotted lines is the line of symmetry for the leaf. Next, the second picture is a starfish. We are going to draw line of symmetry. Now both the sides of the starfish is looking the same. So this is the line of symmetry. If we draw the line of symmetry, both the sides should look the same. So in this case, I have drawn the line. Both the sides are looking the same in the starfish. The second problem is draw the lines of symmetry for each figure. To draw the line of figure, we have to use dotted lines. Here we are having one line of symmetry. If we divide, both the sides are looking the same. Next, here we are having one line of symmetry. In this case also, both the sides are looking the same. Then there is another one line of symmetry diagonally. Here also, both the sides are looking the same. And in this diagonal also, the design will look the same. So we are having 4 lines here. Here, this is the first line. Now if we divide, both the sides are looking the same. If we divide, both the sides are looking the same. Next we have to divide diagonally. If we divide diagonally also, both the sides will look the same. In this diagonal now. Here also we are having 4 lines of symmetry. So we have drawn line of symmetry for the given figures. Next we are going to learn about reflection. We stand in front of the mirror and see our image. That is due to reflection. The size of the object and the size that you see in the image will look the same. Now consider a letter P. Now we are going to find the image of the letter P using the mirror. Place a mirror and you can see the reflected image of P. The reflected image of P is like this. Now I have drawn the reflected image of P along vertical line. Now I am going to reflect P along horizontal line. If I reflect horizontally, the image that I can see is like this. Here P is reflected vertically and here P is reflected horizontally. Now we are going to solve exercise 12.5. The first problem is draw the reflections of the following objects to make them symmetrical. Now we have to place the mirror like this and see the reflection and draw. I have completed its reflection. Now look at the second image. Place a mirror and find its reflection. And then draw. I have completed its reflection. Draw the reflections of the following letters across the horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal line means you have to place the mirror like this and find its reflection. For horizontal line, the reflection is like this. For vertical line, place the mirror like this and draw the reflection. The reflection for vertical line is like this. Next for OR. For horizontal line, the reflection is like this. For vertical line, the reflection is like this for vertical line. For horizontal line, the reflection is like this. For vertical line, the reflection is like this. In the same way, you have to place the mirror and complete the remaining. The third question is, draw the mirror image of the following sentence. Now sentence is given, we have to place the mirror here and find what is the sentence. The first word is you. The second word is are. The third word is awesome. So the sentence is, you are awesome. In today's class, we have learnt about reflection and symmetry. Complete the remaining problems in exercise 12.4 and 12.5. Thank you, students.